Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Expedia hotel reservation. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you book the hotel through Expedia, you can usually cancel your reservation online as long as the booking cancellation policy allows it. So to do this, we need to come on over to Expedia, then make sure to sign into your account. Then from here, click onto trips. So once you sign in, click on the trips. Now you're going to see a list of all your current and past bookings inside of here. Now from here, you want to select your hotel reservation. So find the hotel booking you want to cancel and click on it to review the reservation details. Now before cancelling, review the cancellation policy shown on the booking. Depending on the hotel's rules, your reservation may be eligible for a full refund, partial refund, or it might even be non-refundable. Now free cancellation is available. Usually see the deadline before any cancellation fees. Then from there, just go ahead and cancel the reservation, then review the confirmation. So once it is complete, Expedia will display a confirmation message. You should also receive a confirmation email.